Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to toggle touchpad on this laptop. You can do this in settings, but if you don't have access to your touchpad, you can do this using your keyboard. First, press the start button, then press tab. Using arrow keys to navigate, go to settings, press enter to open settings, then press tab once again and use down arrow key to navigate to Bluetooth and devices section. Press enter, then press tab button 5 more times to select devices and use down arrow key to navigate to touchpad. Press enter and then press spacebar to toggle it. And this way you can toggle touchpad on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.